Hello, it's Victoria again. If you ever found yourself wondering whether you're doing enough for your child's lay, you are not alone. I speak with parents every day who care deeply, show up consistently, and still feel unsure, not because they aren't trying, but because there's so much noise around learning now. The truth is, parenting today comes with a lot of noise. Everyone has an opinion. Every school has a different approach. Every other post seems to suggest there's something more you should be doing. It's easy to start feeling uneasy or confused, even when you care deeply. Feeling unsure doesn't mean you are failing. It usually means you're paying attention and trying to make thoughtful decisions in a system that isn't always clear. Children don't need parents who have everything figured out. They need parents who are present, willing to ask questions, and open to learning alongside them. Progress doesn't always look like top scores or fast results. Sometimes it looks like small improvements, growing confidence, or a child beginning to understand things at their own pace. If learning has felt heavy this week, it's okay to pause. You don't need to have all the answers right now. Supporting your child is a journey, though clarity often comes step by step. You are doing more than you think. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. See you in the next video. Bye.